first at how long the snow was going to stick around.
Yeah, for about the next 2 to 3 hours, we have some very light snow that's possible, but pretty much all of the accumulations are now done. Take a look at the satellite and radar. You see the big swirl in the atmosphere and spin. That is where the low pressure system is currently, but out to our west, it looks like already the back edge of the snow is now moving through parts of western Missouri. It's pretty much done snowing now in Kansas City and done snowing in the northern part of the state. Now, I have heard of some snow reports of 4 inches of snow nearby Macon, Missouri, up near La Plata, Missouri. That gets a little bit further to our north and northeast, maybe even up to 3.5 to 4 inches of snow up there. But it does look like a lot of the accumulating snow is almost done now for central Missouri. I think through the 8 and 9 o'clock hours, we still have that chance for maybe up to another half of an inch of snowfall. But after 9 a.m. this morning, it's just going to be snow flurries, and we'll maintain some snow flurries through the afternoon hours, just kind of as there's still some moisture caught up in the atmosphere. But no more accumulations after 9 a.m. thanks to warming air temperatures throughout the morning and early this afternoon. The snow potential, I have reduced the potential that we can see here now for the state. Generally 2 to up to 3 inches of snow for Columbia to Jefferson City. I measured 2 inches of snow for Columbia already. We've measured 2 inches of snow in Jefferson City. Maybe a little bit higher totals down near the Lake of the Ozarks. Again, once you get closer to Interstate 44 and south, that's where they run into 6 or more inches of snow. But that happened well down to our south through the nighttime hours. One of the limiting factors to the system, it was the warm air outside. This system had some warm air trapped up in it, and those air temps were above freezing. It helped melt some of that snow, not just on the pavement, but also while it was falling. Right now, 32 to 34 is our current temperature range in the mid part of the state. It's 34 in Columbia. We're still already at 35 in Jefferson City. Now, a little colder, though, to our north, and that's why some of the higher accumulations have been experienced and reported up near Macon and possibly near Moberly. That's also why I think right now some of our travel is a little slower up to our north. Right now on MoDOT's traveler map, no immediate slowdowns or issues on I-70. That's great to see. That's a major artery for travel in mid-Missouri. Same for Highway 63. Highway 63 for the most part looks good around Boone County and into Jefferson City. A little bit of extra snow down at the lake and again near Rolla, but so far okay on most of our main roads in the mid part of the state. A little slower on the travel times and travel speeds. That's going to be with some extra cautious driving on Highway 63 from Jefferson City to Columbia, and then also on I-70 from Booneville to Columbia or from Kingdom City to Columbia. Little slower speeds being reported on our roads there. All right, our live traffic map this morning. Here we go. Northern Missouri, you guys may have had a little extra snow, up to 3 to 4 inches of snow, so that's causing for some slower travel now up into parts of Macon County through Highway 36, also parts of Highway 63 from Moberly to Jacksonville and also to Macon. It's slow there. Salisbury to Moberly to Paris. Highway 24 is a little slow in some spots, so keep that in mind, but once you get into Boone County and Columbia, the roads do seem to be a little bit more drivable thanks to warmer air around the region. Same for Jefferson City. You get down into southern Missouri. The lake does have some slowdowns there, but it does look like some of that's improving. Out near Freeburg and Vienna, Highway 63 running through parts of Osage and Marys counties, it is a little slow in that region. For our temperatures today, above freezing, which will help a lot of the snow melt. Snow until 9 o'clock this morning. The roads might be a little slick and slushy for the morning hours through the 9 o'clock hour. Once we're after 9 a.m., the snow starts to melt. Our temperatures start to warm. 36 for a temperature this afternoon. Colder tomorrow, though, with a high of only 29 to 30. A little warmer into the early part of the weekend, dropping to 26 with another snow chance on Sunday.